Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your MetaMask wallet to JumpTask. First, ensure you have the MetaMask extension installed and set up in your browser. This process is straightforward and will allow you to start earning on JumpTask quickly. We'll cover everything from preparing your wallet to confirming the successful connection, making it easy for anyone to follow along. Let's get started with the first essential step. Before connecting, open your MetaMask extension and unlock your wallet. It's crucial to be on the correct network. For JumpTask, this is usually the Binance Smart Chain. If you're not, switch to it within MetaMask. Also, make sure you have a small amount of BNB, perhaps 0.001 BNB, for any potential transaction or gas fees. This preparation ensures a seamless connection process without interruptions. Now, open your web browser and go to the official JumpTask website. Once there, look for the Connect Wallet button, which is usually prominent on the home page or in the top right corner. Click this button, and a pop-up will appear showing various wallet options. Select MetaMask from this list. Your MetaMask extension will then prompt you to approve the connection request from JumpTask. After selecting MetaMask, a notification will appear from your MetaMask extension asking for your approval to connect to JumpTask. Review the details and click Connect or Approve to finalize the link. Once approved, return to the JumpTask website. You should see your wallet address displayed on your dashboard, confirming a successful connection. Congratulations, your MetaMask wallet is now linked, and you can start utilizing JumpTask's features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.